Will he stay or will he go? The highest court in the land is set to clarify today if Shaun Abrahams' arrival at the NPA was just and equitable. That's because his predecessor, Nxasana, and former President Jacob Zuma agreed on a 17 million rand golden handshake, something the North Gauteng High Court has called reckless. And that court has also ruled both Abrahams and Nxasana's appointments were constitutionally invalid.
We do not believe that it would be just and equitable either to reinstate Mr. Nxasana or to leave Advocate Abrahams as permanent NDPP. In our view, it would be just and equitable if the position were declared vacant for a short period of, say, 60 days, for it to be filled by appropriate appointment within that period.
3 NGOs have asked the Constitutional Court to endorse the North Gauteng High Court's ruling. In February, Abrahams told the ConCourt he should keep his job because there's nothing to suggest he's anything but fit and proper for the post. The judges spent some time questioning if Abrahams should vacate his office as the High Court ordered.
If the case is you cannot remain in office because there are these perceptions about you, that case must be pleaded so that he's given an opportunity to answer even the very question whether there are indeed such perceptions, or if there are, why they are not relevant to the question of him staying. That's the point of substance.
The legal submissions he made were legal submissions. He didn't say, I support the president in all his mendacity. That issue didn't arise at all. So, I mean, they were advancing proper legal arguments that were either good in law or bad in law. To elevate that to aligning with the president in all respects is, with respect, not fair.
Mr. Nxasana did not leave lawfully, so therefore Mr. Abrahams cannot be in the position lawfully. That is a fundamental proposition, and we submit that independence of international law and the Constitution requires that outcome. But in addition, there are these further factors.
And not to be misunderstood, I too, talking about findings, I'm talking at the level of perception. I'm not talking about a finding that he is tainted.
Whichever way it goes, today's judgment will likely prove amongst the most important from the ConCourt this year. And already there are rumblings that former NPA boss Vusi Pikoli could be Abrahams' successor. Aaron Bates, Johannesburg.